Hello friends, today we're gonna see how we're gonna create the files and folders by using the Linux terminal codes. Let's see first what are the files do we have in our directory. Oh, we have 4 files. I just ignore them and let's create a couple of files first. That is Dutch file1.txt. See, wow, great. Here we have created a file name called file1.txt. Now let's create the folder. Actually, let's create a couple of folders. mkdir, playbook, and roles. Here, by using this command, we can create 2 folders at a time. If you want to create only one folder, we can use a command mkdir, just only the one folder directory name. Directory or folder, both are same, so don't get confused. If we list them, we can see here the file one which we created over here, and playbooks roles. These are the two directories we have created them. Now let's delete the folders. Let's delete the directories first. Let's delete the directory one with the permission and then do forcefully. For the roles directory, we're gonna ask the permission whether we want to delete it or not. See here, are you sure you want to remove the directories with the name called roles? Yes. Oh, here we can see we have deleted the folder called roles. Suppose if the folder is not so empty, what we gonna do? Let's see it. Let's open the playbook folder. Oh, we have entered into the playbook folder by using the command cd. Cd is in the sense directory. We log into the directory, or we can go back to the main directory. Let's create a folder with the name called Java. Inside the playbook, we are creating a folder called Java, and we can see here Java folder. Let's go back now and let's try to delete this folder with the permissions. Now what's the folder name? Oh, playbook. Oh, it is showing descend into directory. Oh, it is saying that something is there. Do you want to show? Yes. If we click OK, it is going to ask inside the playbook there is a directory name called Java. Are you sure you want to remove it? Yes. If we click yes, the folder is going to delete the playbook as well. If we click no, just only the Java folder will be deleting from the Java directory will be deleting it. So let's click yes, and here we can see it has been done. And even to remove the files also, we can use a command rm only. rm-r, that's an file1.txt. Are you sure you want to remove a regular empty file? Yes, because we haven't entered anything in the file1.txt, so it is going to say empty file with the 0 data, 0 kbps. If you click yes, it is going to delete. Now we can see we have create at the first we have only this line. The same files which we have left at the end is also same. In this way we can delete the files with the name called mkdir and ls mkdir rm -rf. This is for permission requesting, and this command is for forcefully. mkdir is to create the folder, is to remove the directory with the permission, and this one for forceful. Suppose if we are getting some kind of error, we are unable to delete the folder with the permission, then we can delete it by forceful even the files are running in the background. And then even to delete it, if you want to enter into the directories, you use the command cd, and with the cd we can enter into the playbook. And if we click just only the cd, just like here, by clicking the cd we are entering into the main directory. That's it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.